Hello guys, what's up? This is Hamidul Islam in front of you. I am from Lalmonirhat. I am beginner in English. I am trying to learning English. How are you all? Hope are you all fit and fine. I hope that everyone fit and fine. And we know that. Can you guess why I am here? Yes, I am here only practicing purpose. We know that in the meantime, in the whole world, need to learning English. Need to English. Important of learning English. Yes, we know that in the meantime, English is a very important. Not only right now, before time, we know lots of English. Also, we didn't say any English language. We didn't understand why. It's our lack of practicing lack of. We know that lots of time we know we use English, but we didn't say a long story, also a long uh, historian, and that's why we have to practice. Otherwise, it didn't say anything. We know that practice. If you we know that make him and practice for a good results. That's why you have to practice. Otherwise you didn't believe your comfortable life. But here is some problems. We know that there is many problems also for learning English in our country. Here is a lack of our education system also, and education system not good, properly not good for English. We know that. So when I was a student, that time our teachers old versions also English, but right now is a modern technology. We know that Slipat, and right now there are lots of teachers in Bangladesh. They are teach us technicalities. We know right now the internet, Facebook, Instagram. It's a lots of teachers here. They are teachers perfectly, but before time they are teachers old version also. It's my opinion, maybe not another person's opinions, but before time I know lots of things. I know English grammatical rules also, and the vocabulary, some vocabulary, but I can't say anything. But right now I am trying to learning English. That's why I am say something about myself. And when I went to any place, that time I trying to explain this place. No more today. Thanks for watching patiently.